A bad dynamo alternator in a Mercedes-Benz Z3 can cause a variety of symptoms, including Number 1. Warning lights. One of the most common signs of a bad alternator is the appearance of warning lights on the dashboard. This can include the battery warning light or the check engine light. Number 2. Dimming or flickering lights. A failing alternator may cause the lights in the car to flicker or become dimmer than usual. This is because the alternator is responsible for powering the vehicle's electrical system. Number 3. Electrical system failure. If the alternator fails completely, it can cause the vehicle's electrical system to stop working altogether. This can include the radio, power windows, and other electronic components. Number 4. Strange noises. A failing alternator may also produce strange noises, such as grinding, whining, or squeaking. These noises can be a sign that the bearings inside the alternator are failing. Number 5. Dead battery. If the alternator is not charging the battery properly, it can cause the battery to die. This can happen even if the battery is relatively new. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to have your Mercedes-Benz Z3 inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible to determine if the alternator is the cause of the problem. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.